All right, let's take a look at how we can add some billing data to our chart. So we're going to go back out to Pronto. And what we've done is we've asked the sales and accounting department if they would share their billing information. So they've done that. And so now we go into networks, and once again we're looking at the power of network analytics, and this is the data that they shared with me. Okay, and we can see in here that I've got account, name, billing, date, and they've also given me billing amount. So I can go ahead and connect that. Now, once again, we don't see that here because that's a different data source. So how do we use it? We come up to connect and we go to relate. And so now from here, I can relate my account data to my billing information. Once again, it's as easy as linking my account ID to account ID. And so we're all connected. Let's go see how we can use it. And to do that, once again, we're going to come back to Visualizer. From here, we're going to go ahead and open up our account table. And although now if I come over to here and look at billings, I've got billings amount. But what I really want to add to this is I want to know what my billing amount per case is, because that really will help me to see how profitable these customers are from a support standpoint. So what I'm going to do is we're going to come up here and create a custom expression. We're going to give it a name. Billings per case. It's going to be a measure. And so now what I need to do is simply take my amounts, my billing amount, divided by my cases closed. And so now that we do this, we can see that although when you're looking at an average of the amount of revenue we're getting per case, our busiest customers are not all that profitable. So once again, this leads to believe that it would be worthwhile to spend some time with training or something else to help reduce the amount of time we're spending with these customers. We're going to come up here. We're going to save that. And now when we go back into our dashboards, we automatically have our new calculation. A great way that we can easily leverage on what's already done. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. So you see here that we were able to pull together a quick dashboard with several different types of measures, including creating our data connections in less than an hour. So now let's see what it looks like when we've got some time to really do some development and add several more pieces. So let's take a look at the dashboards from where that billing data came from. So let's go ahead and log into our site. And what we're going to look at here is a site that is developed for marketing and sales around the concept of value-based design. What we start out with is our highest level metrics. And from there, we work down farther and farther into the detail, looking for actionable statistics. On the marketing side, we can drill into what is really driving marketing, which is our return on investment. As we go through this, we can easily look at our areas where we're getting the greatest return. Easily shows us the areas where we've been successful, what we've been successful in. Once again, we're able to embed whatever information we want to in here because this is just a website. So it gives us the power of combining not only information about our analytics, but also other areas that we're working on. Don't forget that these measures are also not only important to just the marketing group, but they also affect others. So not only can you drill down, you can also drill across. And we can also see what effect they have on the sales group. As we're looking at all of this, once again, if we want to see a subset of the data, all we need to do is highlight what we want to look at. And it gives us a look into that specific information. Very quickly and easily, we can drill down, we can drill across. And it gives you an idea of some of the power that you have, both with what you can put together here, but also can move around and give your users the ability not only to see what's going on, but also to control and move further into the information. So up here we have our high-level KPIs. We move down to more and more of the detail that makes up those numbers. And as we drill farther into that, we can actually create reports. Now these reports were actually built with an add-on product called Designer. And with that, it gives you a lot more control over the look and feel of the different reports. Once again, this is all accessible from the browser. And so all of this information is available on any of the different types of devices you have. And not only can you view it on the web, but once again, you have the ability to export the reports From here also, from the reports, not only can we view them on the web pages, but you also have the ability to export this as PDFs or data to Excel. With this, you can also set it up to be delivered, and this can also be scheduled on a regular basis if folks don't have access to come in and view the data themselves.